The only one left now. Which one is that?
Question number 8.
Eighth one to go.
A dome of a building is in the form of hemisphere. From inside, it is whitewashed at the cost of rupees 4,809.60. If the cost of whitewashing is 20 per square meter, find the surface area, inside surface area of the dome, volume of the air inside the dome.
अच्छा, बड़ा है ये question. See, dome of a building. If you go to a temple, ना you know ना, so ऊपर रहता है ना dome.
हाँ.
That is hemispherical. That is what is given to us. I got to know when you read it. Okay, so it's a hemispherical dome. It has to be whitewashed from inside. So are you going to touch the base of the dome? No, only the inside part. So which area?
CSA.
Very good.
Curved surface area.
Curved surface area of that hemispherical dome. And in fact, the total cost is given to us. And the way you read the cost, I understood everything. Nothing I understood. Okay, so no problem. Wait. So first, let me write for a
Spherical.
spherical dome. For a hemispherical
Dome.
dome. Okay. So is the radius given? No. Just given the total cost of whitewashing from inside. Okay, so I'll just write here total cost of whitewashing. Total cost of whitewashing. That is equal to, now carefully read one number and tell the rupees.
4,989.
Means 4989. 0.60 means 6.
Yes.
Acha, now Ananya, tell me one thing. If the total cost was not given, then what is the formula to find?
Total cost is not given.
If this was blank, how do we find the total cost? Tell me. The one who is going to do the work, which area is going to calculate? That is what I was asking. So CSA into what?
Given
The rate. The rate is also given if I am not wrong.
rupees 20.
So now look here. Now since the cost is given to us, so I'll write the formula here. So what is the formula? CSA
2 pi r
into what? That is equal to the cost. So what is the cost over here? 989.6. Now what is CSA formula?
2 pi
Square. Very good. What is the rate given?
rupees
20 per
Square meter.
That means 20, which is equal to
4989.
4989.6. Now you know very well, I need to find what?
R
R square. I'll keep it here. All other things I'll take it to the right hand side. तो उधर जाने के बाद 4989.6 into what?
7.
Very good. Into 7. Whole divide by what?
Upon 2 into 22
Very good.
into 20.
Very good. Upon 20. Sure. Good job. Ananya, if I remove the decimal, so how many zeros to be adjusted?
4 zeros. Sorry.
Decimal के बाद one digit है.
digit.
One
Only
zero.
one zero.
Where should I adjust? Numerator, denominator?
Numerator.
Very
And denominator.
4989.6 होतं.
हाँ.
49896 केलं. तर डेसिमल कुठून काढला? न्यूमरेटर वरनं ना?
हाँ.
तर झिरो कुठे ऍडजस्ट होणार?
Denominator.
खालती ऍडजस्ट होणार. किती झिरो लावणार मी?
एकच zero.
हाँ. 4. Only one zero. So I'll just make it 200. This math is clear now? Lovely. Now what to do?
2 ने divide होणार.
2 ने divide होणार. Very छान. Okay. Better I'll start with 11 का table. 11 2s are. Careful beta. Now this is 11 4s are 44. Remainder 5 आएगा. 58 बनेगा.
हाँ.
So 11 5s are 55. Remainder 3 39. 3s are 33. Remainder 3. Sorry, 6.
6.
तो 66 बनेगा. So 11
6
are. इतना समझा? Now I'll just rewrite again what things are with us. So R square. क्या कह रहा बग बेटा? 4536 है.
into 7.
So 4536 into what? 7. Whole divide by what? 2
into 200.
into 2 into what? 200. Okay. Now what next? And now I can cut by 2 cutable, correct? So let's help each other. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4.
1.
2 2s are
4. 1.
2 6s are 12.
1.
2 8s are 16. Again 2
2 11s are
2 1 1 3 4. Correct?
Yes.
Again, 2 100s are 2 5s are 10, 1 carry,
2 6 are
and 2 7s are. Now which table to cut? Not possible because नीचे 100 है.
100.
So what I'll do is I'll teach you something good. 5 6 7 है ना? Look here. So I'll prime factorize that.
Okay.
5 6 7. Which table it goes? 7. Correct. 7 8s are
56.
and then 7 1s are.
7.
Now which table?
It even 9.
3 2s are 6. 7s are
3 9.
3 9s are
3 3s are 9.
3 3s are
3 1s are 3.
and 3
1s are 3.
Why did I do this? Because it's easy for you now. So we have r square. So how many times 3 beta?
2 times.
अभी पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, okay.
1 2 3 4 and 1
7
and उधर already एक 7 है
into
waiting
7.
for you. हाँ. Whole divide by
100.
इसको टच नहीं कर रहा क्योंकि I know ये स्क्वायर होने के बाद यहाँ पे रूट होगा. So what is root of 100? Okay, so I'll remove this prime factorization. Any child can do that, correct? Now you know what to do.
Remove
So I'll remove the square sign. So 1, 2, 3, 4
7.
into 7 whole divide by 100. Now
100.
I'll start pairing 2 times. You know when it comes out as a, tell me.
3
2 3 come out as a single.
3
Again 3 into 7.
Upon
And what is
10.
square root of 100?
10.
10. So therefore R equals. What is 3 3s are? 9 7s are?
72.
63 upon 10.
10.
कितना मिलेगा आंसर?
6.3.
Perfect. So 6.3 meters. This much is the radius of that dome.
Inside dome.
Inside radius. Good. Now the next one says that we are. What we have to find? How much air this dome contains? Common sense.
Volume
We
of
need
the
a
dome.
volume of the hemisphere. That you know very well, correct? So how would I write down? I'll write there. Okay.
You can just
So I
make
can
a
just
line
write here.
here.
Volume of air is equal to volume of which geometrical figure is this?
Hemisphere.
Hemisphere. And the formula to find
2 upon
2 upon 3 pi r
cube.
cube. Quickly help me, so I'll keep 2 by 3. What is pi value? 22 by 7. How much is the radius?
6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3.
Into 6.3 into
6.3.
6.3. Careful, bacha. See, 3 one time.
3 to the 6. 3 2.1.
Very good. And 7 ones are and 7
9.
0.9. So what numbers we left out now? What is 2 22s are?
11.
Ayyappa Swami,
No,
2 into 22, 44. So 44 into, that is 2.1
into 0.9
into 6.3. You people are very good in solving. I know that. Thank you. To the honors, please multiply and write down the answer. For you as well as for you. Bye-bye.